circling it like tiny detectives. Look at them go! They're analyzing every angle, figuring out the best way to tackle this massive task. They communicate through a series of wiggles and antennae touches. It's like their own secret ant Morse code. Step 1, teamwork. Tony grabs one end of the bread and Tiny grabs the other. They dig their little legs into the ground, heaving with all their might. This bread is heavy, but our dynamic duo is determined. Step 2, strategy. They don't just drag the bread in a straight line. Nope, that would be too easy.